So Namaste India. So stop gambling, learn hedging. So here I have taken enough number of hedging trades. So everything is in minor loss, minor profit. So now the time is 9:14 a.m. Let us see how the market opens now. So it is just taking another few seconds. So once the market opens, what is the main thing you need to observe is see the future prices, how it jumps up. So today market is gap up. Today market is gap up, we can see here. So Nifty is a gap up. So once the market opens, whatever the future it is running, no, it will, everything will shoot up with profits. But you can notice the put premiums will not jump or fall because of less liquidity. So liquidity is so important. Can you see the 15,000 loss got reduced to 4,000 rupees or 2,000? Can you see I'm in the profit. So almost I can run to profits. So how I can go to profits? Because maybe in some time I may go to profits because the put premiums are not rising. You can see the put premiums are dead. They are not at all moving. Only the futures, they are moving up. The put premiums are not at all moving up. So this is very important. You can see the market depth. See, put option, buyers are there, no sellers. If someone wants to buy Tata Consumer 740 put option, you will place at market order, you will be bought at 100 rupees because there is no seller. There may be seller at 100 rupees. You are trying to buy at market, there is no seller, you will buy at 100, so you lose 67,000 rupees because of illiquid. So you should never do this mistake. Buying stock options early morning, if anyone does stock options without seeing the market depth, where is a buyer seller, not seeing anything, blindly buying a put option or a call option, you are gone, literally you are gone. So you have to see Shriram Transport, this is highly illiquid. You can see buyer is at 53, seller is at 61. If you place a market order now, you will be bought at 61 rupees. See, this mistakes, no one should do it. See, that's the reason the best thing, start doing options at probably 10 o'clock above, so that liquidity will pump in. So the liquidity will be pumped in after 10 o'clock. You can see the 15,000 loss got reduced to almost 300. Maybe I may come, see I'm in positive. So this is miracle, we can say. So how these miracles happen? Because of hedging. So hedging is so powerful. Always we buy future long, put buy. So by doing hedging, we can survive in stock market lifelong. If you just do naked options, buying one call, buying one put, buying naked futures, literally you will be thrown out of stock market very soon. So this is very important. So buying stock options at 9:30 a.m. you are gone, you are butchered. Especially stock options. Be very careful while doing stock options, that to early morning. Liquidity will not be there. Thank you.